If you are plagued by unsightly yellow toenails, then you know how embarrassing and troubling this common condition can be. Thick, yellow nails often indicate that a fungal infection has set in underneath the affected nails. Even though the fungus has obviously begun to spread, hence the yellow nails, knowing the causes of onychomycosis and how to best treat it will help you to remedy this annoying yet relatively harmless albeit uncomfortable condition. Have you recently noticed your toenails turning yellow? Perhaps you don't have completely yellow toenails, but there's a yellow streak on your nails. Or maybe there is some other form of discoloration. Should I be worried about having yellow toenails? Yellow toenails, along with nail discoloration ranging from white, green, brown or even black toenails, are usually caused by toenail fungus. The discoloration is caused by keratin debris lodged between the nail and the nail bed. If you have yellow toenails, white toenails, green, brown toenails, or black toenails, but no other symptoms, consider yourself lucky that you caught the infection before it had a chance to spread. Toenail fungus can cause serious damage to the nails. As the infection progresses, the nail will thicken, turn brittle, crumbly, and eventually separate from the nail bed, resulting in permanent damage. It may also emit a foul odor and can cause some serious pain. Why do toenails turn yellow? Yellow toenails are often the sign of worse symptoms to come, and the discoloration is caused by tiny organisms that have made their way under the toenails. These organisms thrive in dark, damp places and need no sunlight to survive. Fungi known as dermatophytes are usually responsible, but certain molds and yeasts may also cause fungal infections of the toenails and surrounding skin. Keep in mind that yellow toenails may not be completely uniform in color, with only some areas of the nails being affected, producing streaks or spots of discolorations. Although there is a rather rare medical condition known as yellow nail syndrome, fungus is most usually the culprit behind the changes. As soon as you suspect toenail fungus, act quickly before the infection has a chance to spread to the entire nail and its cuticle, which will make it even more difficult to treat. So what are the most effective ways and methods of treating a yellow toenail before the infection progresses even more? Treating thick, yellow toenails. In general, taking prescription medications for the purpose of treating yellow toenails should be avoided if at all possible, as they contain toxins intended to kill the fungus, but ultimately have harmful effects on the rest of the body. These drugs must also be taken anywhere from a few months to as long as a year and can be rather expensive, not to mention dangerous, causing potential liver or kidney damage. Unfortunately, the vast majority of over-the-counter medicines and treatments for curing a yellow toenail caused by fungus fail to deliver any tangible results for most people, leaving some to turn to home remedies and alternative methods. According to some anecdotal reports, soaking the feet in either beer, vinegar, or using a preparation of the essential oils of oregano or tea tree and lavender several times a day for a few consecutive weeks may help to eradicate the fungus that causes yellow toenails. Your very first line of defense for successfully treating a yellow nail is keeping the feet clean, dry, and out of areas where they'll be exposed to moisture for long periods of time. Wearing sandals in public places such as pools or locker rooms will help you to avoid contracting the fungus responsible for infection and discoloration of the nails. Don't wear tight-fitting footwear, and be sure to keep the nails neatly trimmed without cutting too short and running the risk of infection. Although yellow toenails are bothersome and can quickly evolve into crumbling, cracked, brittle nails that cause pain and discomfort, treating the condition immediately and learning all about the various treatment options can help you make the best of your situation and allow you to be on your way to enjoying clearer, healthier toenails. One of the best over-the-counter medications, and the one we recommend to patients, is Caravita Pro. Not only does Caravita Pro work faster than any prescription drug we've tried for mild to moderate toenail fungus, but none of our viewers have also reported any negative side effects. You can order a bottle of Caravita Pro online for as little as $49.95. If you're having problems with yellow toenails and toenail fungus, we've included a link in the description box below where you can place an order. Whichever treatment you choose, we highly recommend that you seek treatment as early as possible. Don't give the fungus a chance to spread. Order your Caravita Pro for toenail fungus treatment today at a discounted price of 75% through the link in the description box below.